Hi everyone. I don't know if you can see me. So I'm in Kijabi and it's quite interesting. I left Nairobi when it was too sunny. I have my glasses on. I even have a sun hat. On reaching here Kijabi, it's cold. It looks like it wants to rain. Guys, that's the highway over there. If you use this road often, you know this place by that forest. You see guys? There. So I just decided to stop over here so that I can take a breather, look for a toilet. But funny enough, I can't get any. Mambo? Ukwaze? Fiti? There's some guy there who's really staring at me, so I had to say hi. So guys, let me proceed with my journey and then I'll catch up later in the next destination, which I don't have an idea where.
For the stinging nettle, you can just boil it in water for about 5 to 15 minutes. Let it cool down and drink. For other people, they prefer to cook it, fry, and eat like normal veggies like kales or spinach. Wow, this is Mabruk Tea Factory in Limuru. The place is very serene with very stunning views. It's a good place to drive around, relax, breathe fresh air, enjoy nature. And if you love photos, I can tell you for sure this place can give you very good photos. So we just drove around, enjoyed the beautiful tea factory, or rather Mabruk Tea Factory. Nothing much to do but just a quiet evening to just unwind and just relax. We call this the struggles of content creation. When you have to get that content, especially when you don't have someone to hold the camera for you, you have to put the camera somewhere, and then once you're done, you go back and get it and continue, just like I'm doing here.
So after Kijabi, I found myself in Mabruk Tea Factory in Limuru. And I can't help but admire the environment. That one, you see, there is a small forest, and on this other side, which I'll be taking you, they do have what we call the tea plantation. This place is called Mabruk. I believe it's one and the same brook in Kericho. But what I find funny is that the locals around here, when you ask them what's the name of this place, they will tell you Maburuki, Maburuki Tea Factory. So at first I could not understand what is Maburuki. So I went on Google to search for Maburuki. I was looking for Maburuki, R-U-K-I. And then when I just wrote Maburuki, that's when it came as Mabruk, M-A-B-R-O-K-I-E Tea Factory. And I'm like, my brothers and sisters from the mountain, please, it's not Maburuki, it's Mabruk Tea Factory. But what matters is just understanding what they mean. This place looks so good. I want to take you on the tea factory side and you see the beauty. So let's go. So I said I'm taking you on the tea factory side, but I meant tea plantation side, which is this one. It looks good. This place was raining a few minutes ago, so the weather is good as well. Cool temperatures, as you can see, making the whole tea plantation maintain the color. So let's just take a walk to us down this side. But I do see their homes over there. I think they are the staff quarters, so we will not go far. We just reach somewhere there and then we get back, and then we go towards this other side. The place looks good for sure. I don't know if this camera is doing the justice or not, but I hope it is. So let's take a walk. Actually, we can just go through here. Beautiful. And it's cold. I forgot my sweater because when I was coming here, Nairobi was very sunny. But this side of Kenya, it's cold and I was not expecting that. But it's all good. Let me see if I'll find a shortcut here. This way. And for those who don't know how to harvest tea leaves, I do know it's two leaves like this and a bud, like bud, 2 leaves and a bud, yeah, like that. I think you just do like this and then you put it in the basket. But these days I'm hearing they do have machine that has come that is doing the work. Okay, it's good because the machine will be faster, but at the same time it's sad knowing that when they use the machine, that means a few people will lose their job. I was talking to one guy who is working here, and he was actually telling me that the Mabruk are thinking of bringing that machine. I saw it when I was in Kericho, but they could not allow me to film. And yeah, it does a quite good and fast job, but like I said, people get to lose their job. So he was telling me he's kind of sad or worried when that machine or when those machines come, many people will lose their job. And I felt that because I've been there before, you know, losing a job, not knowing where to go next. It's not quite easy, especially when you do have family or bills to pay. But God will come through in one way or another. When one door closes, another one opens. That's for a fact. So if you have watched up to this point, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. If you are a die-hard fan, you have been there since day one, thank you for sticking around.
The kettle hums a low refrain, steam dances, whispers round the pane. Tea leaves sinking, time won't stay, gone like smoke on a winter's day. And oh, the hours, they slip, they slide, like shadows cast by the turning tide. Hold them close or let them go. Tea leaves tell what we.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a sweet comment if you can, and give it a like. Bye for now.
The kettle hums a low refrain, steam dances, whispers round the pane. Tea leaves sinking, time won't stay, gone like smoke on a winter's day. And oh, the hours, they slip, they slide.